Hello, good day everybody, how are you? Today I would like to introduce my cat, my last cat, small cat. He's wondering, can we solve 5 variables in 3 equations without calculation by hand, without programming, instantly, and it's free? So I told him, yes, let's get our friend Mr. Wolf come to help. Mr. Wolf, ramAlpha, WolframAlpha, hard to pronounce his name. We will see how it goes, Mr. Wolf. Okay, so here 5 variables with 3 equations, and the equations given here are example. In practical, you may solve even 5 variables with 5 equations, 10 variables with 7 equations, and the equation can be beyond these 3 examples. Okay, so let's move on. Mr. Wolf, please come. If you haven't watched previous video of my ginger cat solve 2 variables within 1 equations using some simple matrix method, you may find the YouTube video in the following comments. Here are the 3 equations we agreed to try on. Although we do not need hands calculations, but at least you need to understand the concept. Such 3 equations can be transformed to a matrix form, where this is a A matrix, this is a B matrix, and this is a C matrix. If you have the ability to see the equation and transform the matrix inside your mind, you don't have to write down. Another matrix concept you need to know is the answer that we are required is the A inverse multiplied with the C. Moving on. This is the inverse matrix that we are looking for. Okay. This is the example how we going to type the matrix and the pseudo inverse in the pure text form. First, write down the name pseudo inverse with big curly bracket represent the matrix. This is the first row. Okay, this is the second row, and finally this is the third row. We need this format in text form before Mr. Wolf can solve it for us. Meanwhile, we have a C matrix. Again, it is required to transform in the text form, where 2 curly bracket represent the matrix, while there are 3 rows here, -2, 0, and 1, in pure text form. So now we are ready to get Mr. Wolf to help. Okay guys, I was joking to say Mr. Wolf. This is the full name. Even though I have to be honest, the pronunciation is a little bit challenge for me. I believe it is pronounced as WolframAlpha. It is a computational intelligence system, okay, which is serve as an answer engine as well as a computational answer that you need for certain difficult and challenging calculations. This is the website. Let's go to the website. Click on the link. Go to the website. Okay, this is the main web page of the WolframAlpha. It may solve many other problems as shown here. Well, today we will focus on solving matrix that we wanted. In future, I will show you other example. Okay, we type matrix multiplication calculator. Hit enter key. Okay, so by default, WolframAlpha will show an example. Let's say this is a 3 by 3 matrix 1. This is a 3 by 3 matrix 2. Okay, and the multiplication gives us a result. This is a result. This is an example, and it will show more other information as well. But for today, we are not interested. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to replace the matrix 1 and matrix 2 to the text format that we converted. Okay, let's go back to the page that we have our text prepared before. Copy the text. Okay, go back here, replace it and paste with the text. And then for the second matrix, let's copy here. Okay, go back and replace as a second matrix, paste. So we are now ready to click the compute button within 4-5 seconds or less than 10 seconds. Here is the answer. Okay, the input is pseudo inverse of this, multiply, and here is the result. Fantastic. Few seconds. You don't have to calculate anything. The answer is given to you. Okay. So this is the answer found by WolframAlpha. It is very useful for a situation that you just need the answer. You don't have to show step on how to find the answer. Okay, it may not be suitable for a high school student or foundation student or university student for their learning purposes, but at least can help them to validate, this is my answer. Am my answer correct? So WolframAlpha and any other similar computational intelligence system may able to provide as a teacher, this is the answer. Please validate your answer. So, but for working engineers, for working programmer, or any working people who would like to solve some mathematical problem, just to get the answer, he or she do not require the step. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, or if you like my cats or the wolf, make sure you subscribe, like, and share with others. Okay. I see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.